I don't feel great. I've tried saying my husband a few times, and I don't think it's like sunk in yet.
We've known each other so long, we've been
Yeah.
best friends, so husband-wife is going to take time
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't think there is an exact moment.
It was just like we weren't in love and then we were in love. I don't know when it happened. It was
Yeah.
very insidious.
We've just been glued to our phones since we met, talking to each other all day.
कश्तियाँ सारी नीले लहरों की झूम उठी
If I give her my glasses, I'll be crying.
Oh, so I could cry, you shouldn't.
झूम उठी झूम उठी
We were just texting all the time.
And every weekend I would just go over to my sir, and all that effort that went in didn't feel like effort at all. So I think you can say that, from the beginning itself,
Yeah.
it seemed like, we'd fallen for each other. Yes, to me, I think it's just comfort, not worrying about, every minor detail. I just know that after a long day, Joey is going to be there, and, I can just be myself and be comfortable.
I love that.
Yeah, and just, even if I haven't met her all day, I can just come straight to her and crib about my day, tell her that something bad happened, and I mean, that is all it is, So,
Days down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and aces.
I think she's very gentle, and she's extremely understanding. Like, if I say something in a fit of anger, which I do a lot, she knows that, this is going to pass, and then she hold the fort down and not react immediately.
Follow my feet and stand in my place.
I love how funny and charming he is. Like he can get anybody to like him. Just 5 minutes with them and they will adore him. Okay, and I just love how kind he is. He takes care of strays, and he's like a champion of everything. I also love how passionate he is about things that he believes in. Like he can, like, if he has a belief, you will know. And I love that about him.
I'm glad you don't find that annoying.
No, I think it's so cute.
आ जाती है ये बारिशें मुसलसल यूं ही चेहरे
Thank you for being there through everything. And there were times when both of us considered otherwise, but I'm so glad we stuck with it and we're here today, and just lucky to have you.
खुशी की
So lucky to have you, and I'm so excited for the rest of our lives and all the things that are gonna happen to us around us. I'm just excited.
Yeah.
And I'm excited for you to be there.
Yeah.
आ जाती है बारिशें मुसलसल यूं